In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Elementor page. We'll walk through this process together, making sure you understand each step clearly and feel comfortable with the task at hand. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center and where you'll be making all the necessary changes to your site. Once you've logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're not already. It may seem overwhelming at first, but once you navigate through it a few times, it becomes quite intuitive. Next, on the left-hand side menu, you will see a tab labeled Pages. Click on it. This section contains all the pages of your website, whether they are published, drafts, or scheduled for future publication. Scroll through this list until you find the page you built with Elementor and now want to delete. Once you have located the Elementor page, hover your mouse over the page title. Doing so will reveal a series of options that appear beneath the title. You're looking for the option that says Trash. Go ahead and click on that. This action will move your Elementor page to the trash, effectively deleting it from your live site. However, it's important to remember that it hasn't been removed from your WordPress site entirely just yet. If you're satisfied with this action, you can stop here. Deleting a page to the trash is similar to moving a file to your computer's recycle bin or trash can. It's out of sight on your website, but you can recover it if you realize later that you need it back. But, if you're sure that the page is no longer needed and you want to free up some space or tidy up your database, you might want to delete it permanently. To do this, head over to the Trash section, which you can find from the same Pages section of your dashboard. Once in the trash, locate the page you want to obliterate for good. Hover over its title once more, and you'll notice the option to Delete Permanently. By clicking this, you ensure that the page is completely removed from your database, freeing up resources and ensuring that the data will no longer be recoverable. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so be absolutely sure you're ready to let go of this page forever. Once it's permanently deleted, it's gone for good. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an Elementor page from your WordPress site. Hopefully, this task didn't seem as daunting once we broke it down into these simple steps. If you have other pages to delete or further questions about using Elementor with WordPress, feel free to explore our other videos. Happy editing, and thanks for watching!